Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. I went to Shenzhen to eat beef today. Hubei Station Exit A. Turn right. About 300 meters away, you will arrive at Daniu Hot Pot. The reason for choosing this shop. Search for Chaoshan beef on the Guild Map app and see that this restaurant has a high score and has excellent benefit. 168 yuan, set meal for 5 to 6 people. Many items included. See if it's worth it. Arrived at 6:30. Already 80% of the occupancy rate. The restaurant has 2 floors. Many drink choices. Chefs are busy taking orders. Free to eat ice cream. More than 20 seasonings. Set menu includes sirloin, beef balls, offal, flammulina belly types, fat beef, ribby cap, hand-cut beef, fried yuba, pho, corn, radish. Try the soup base first. It's made from beef bones, with corn and radish. Sweet taste. Can't eat MSG. Put the more durable ingredients into the pot first. Add beef balls, beef offal, beef brisket, corn, radish. The appearance of fried yuba is attractive. Try it first. With a chewy feeling, not bad. I don't like fried bean curd sticks that are too soft. The soup base is relatively light. It is recommended to eat with a little shoka sauce. Beef heart can be eaten after cooking for more than 10 seconds. Taste is very crisp. It is more delicious with shoka sauce. Try fat beef. Try the original first. The meat taste is light, with a chewy feeling, and the level is not too outstanding. Try ribby cap. Better than fat beef. The taste is crisp and the meat taste is richer. Recommended. Beef offal is pre-cooked and can be eaten after reheating. It's better to dip it in shoka sauce. Taste crisp, qualified level. Try beef balls. The taste is refreshing, and it is also qualified. The beef belly is very fatty. The taste is refreshing and the taste is light. Raw craft beer. Very strong wheat flavor, but the taste is not refreshing enough, not suitable for me. In conclusion, the food tastes bland. It is recommended to add shoka sauce and salt into the soup to enhance the taste of the food. For 168 yuan, the price-performance ratio is very high. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification link down. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.